This is the 16th question of TMUA 2023 exam paper 1. Question says a right angle triangle had vertices at 2, 3, 9, -1 and 5, k. Find the sum of all possible values of k. Okay. So let me first try to draw these coordinates. So the first one is 2, 3. So 2, 3 is, let's say, somewhere here. X is 2, y is somewhere here. It is 2, 3. Then second is 9, -1. So x is 9, y is -1 somewhere here. The third coordinate lies on 5, k. Let me give this as point A and this is point B. So 5, k will lie on this line x is equal to 5. Somewhere in this line, point C will lie, which is ABC is a triangle. And it's a right angle triangle. You have to find the sum of all possible values of k. So how many triangles can you get? First of all, I can get point C here such that ACB is right angle at C. Or I can get a C here such that again ACB is right angle at C. This can be C also, this can be C. These are first two possibilities that I am getting a right angle at C. I can get two further possibilities of right angle at A and B. First, we will figure out these situations where I am getting two right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C. One is such triangle, this is triangle 1. Other is this triangle ACB, such that it is right angle at C. So, what are the values of k there we get? To find that out, what we'll do is I'll multiply the slope of this line AC and slope of line AB or CB. Product of the slope should be -1. Okay. So slope of this line is what? K minus 3. Slope of AC is K minus 3 divided by 5 minus 2 multiplied by slope of this line, that is K minus -1, which is K plus 1 divided by 5 minus 9. This should be equal to -1. Product of these slopes should be -1. So as soon as I see this is a quadratic. Quadratic will give me two values of k. One will be here, other will be here. Okay. So to solve this, 5 minus 2 is 3. This is k minus 3 by 3 into k plus 1 divided by -4 is equal to -1. So this minus goes away. So what I am left with is k minus 3 into k plus 1 equals to 12. That is k square plus k minus 3, that means minus 2k minus 3 is equal to 12, or k square minus 2k minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic I get. So if I solve this quadratic, this will be k minus 5. It will be 5 into 3, right? 5 3 is 15. Yeah, k minus 5 into k plus 3 is equal to 0. That is k square plus 3k minus 5k is minus 2k minus 15. So k minus 5 times k plus 3 is equal to 0. So I get k as 5 or minus 3. So it is 5 or minus 3. So this point will be 5, 5 and this point will be 5, minus 3. So I have two values of k already. I have to find sum of all possible values of k. So two possible values of k are 5 or minus 3. This is when I am getting a right angle at C. Now I will make a right angle at A and B. So to do that, let me draw it again here. So A is 2, 3. A is 2, 3. This point A. B is 9, minus 1. 9, minus 1. This is B. I join AB. C has to lie on this line 5, K. C is. Okay. So this point is 5, K. So one triangle ABC can be such that this angle is 90 degree. That ABC is such right angle at A. Or I can make it right angle at B. So it can be like this. This is 90 degrees, C is here. It can be like this also. So there are two possibilities here. One is this triangle where right angle at A, second is this triangle right angle at B. So again, we'll apply the same logic of product of slopes of line should be -1 which are perpendicular. So first of all, what is the slope of this line? AB. That will be 3 minus -1, 3 minus -1 divided by 2 minus 9. Okay, so that is the slope of AB. This multiplied by slope of AC. Slope of AC is K minus 3 divided by 5 minus 2. K minus 3 divided by 5 minus 2. Product of this slope should be -1. So 3 minus -1 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 upon -7 into K minus 3 divided by 5 into 2 is what? 5 minus 2 is what? 3 equals -1. This minus goes away. What I am left with is 4K minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 21. Or 4K is equal to 21 plus 12, which is 33. Or K is 33 by 4, which is 8.25. So I can get K as 8.25 here. So this coordinate becomes 5, 8.25. Okay. So let me write another possible value of K, or 8.25. Now we will look at the scenario in which I am getting a right angle at B. So if I am getting a right angle at B, slope of this line is same, 3 minus -1 upon 2 minus 9, which is 4 upon -7. So it is 4 upon -7 multiplied by now slope of BC, 5 comma K. Slope of BC will be K plus 1, K minus -1 is K plus 1 divided by 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 is -4. Okay, this is 9 comma -1. 5 minus 9 is -4. That is equal to -1. So this is -7 into -4 is plus 28. Plus 28 goes there, multiplied by -1 becomes -28. This is 4K plus 4 is equal to -28. Or you will say 4K is equal to -32. Or K is -8. So here this point is -8. So the last value that I get for K is -8. You have to add all these to get the value. So that will be 5 plus -3 plus 8.25 plus -8. 8.25 and -8 is 0.25. This is 2. So 2 plus 0.25 is 2.25, which is answer option